Good morning and Jai Hind. I am Nutan Gupta, sending video of the 17th chapter, the United Nation. We will start the video from Mind Opener. When you fight with your brother or sister, your parents stop the fight. They explain to you why you should not fight. Now, second example is if you have a complaint against someone in school, you go to your teacher. Same, if two countries have problem with each other, who will mediate and stop the dispute? Okay, now I'm going to explain it. When you fight at your home with your brother and sister, then you will go to whom? Naturally your parents, your mother and father, and they understand to both of them and stop the fight, and they want to know what's the reason and sort out your problems and make the understand why you should not fight. And other example is school. In school, someone has done anything wrong with you. You go to your teacher and said, "Ma'am, he has done this." Then teacher solve your problem. Just like school and home. If two countries have any problem and dispute, then who will solve it and stop it? Think and give me answer. Think about it. Yes, it is the United Nation. Now read the chapter. The World Wars. World War I broke out in August 1914. It was a terrible war in which several nations of the world were involved. The war started in the Europe when the industrialization nation of the world became jealous of each other's power. Each country wanted its own empire to grow. Millions of the soldiers and other people were killed or wounded. Cities were destroyed and there was a severe shortage of the food. Okay, now I am going to explain it. Now we will discuss about the World War. Do you know what is the World War? When many countries fight with each other and destroy cities are called World War. First I want to tell you something about World War I. World War I started by the leader of the Germany and Hungary. Vienna seized the opportunity presented by the assassination of the Archduke to attempt to destroy and weaken rival Serbia. Okay. Now World War I was a global war originating in Europe that lasted from August 1914 to 11 November 1918. Actually, it was a very terrible war. Is many nations of the world were involved. For example, Germany, United Nations, Hungary. This was started Europe. You know, we have read in previous chapter Industrial Revolution. Then what happened? Every country started their factories and in their industry. So the industrialized nation feel jealous with each other's power, profits, developments. Actually, each country wanted its own empire to grow. जैसा कि सब हम ही को पूछें. सब लोग ये चाहते थे कि सब हम ही को पूछें, हम ही को माने, हमारे कहना सुने. So they started fight with each other. In this war, millions of the soldiers and people were killed or wounded. Cities were also destroyed. Result of these, there was a shortage of food. All living things were about to be suffered for everything. Now we read the next topic. After a few years of the peace, World War II broke out in September 1939. It ended in 1945 after USA dropped atomic bomb over two Japanese cities, Hiroshima and Nagasaki. The loss of the life and the destruction of cities in World War II was much greater than in the World War One. Okay. Now, after a few years, World War II broke out in 1st September 1939 and it ended in 2nd September 1945. When USA dropped atomic bomb over two Japanese cities, Hiroshima and Nagasaki. But loss of the life and destruction of cities was more than in World War One, more than from World War Two. It was much greater than World War One. मीन्स जो सेकेंड वर्ल्ड वॉर हुआ था वर्ल्ड वॉर वन से भी ज्यादा नुकसान वाला था. So you can see by these pictures. In one picture, we can see destruction of the London during World War One, and in the second picture, the devastation of Hiroshima after the nuclear bomb was dropped on it. मीन्स फर्स्ट पिक्चर है जिसमें वर्ल्ड वॉर वन का डिस्ट्रक्शन दिखाया गया है और सेकंड पिक्चर है जिसमें हिरोशिमा पर बॉम्ब जो गिराया गया था. ओके, now we will discuss the formation of United Nations. After World War II, the nations of the world came together to find ways of preventing wars in future. The tremendous destruction and misery of the two wars had made them wiser. As a result, their efforts and United Nations was born in the year 1945. A set of rules called Charter of the United Nations was made at a conference in the San Francisco, USA. It was signed by 50 members countries on 24 October 1945. Today's 93 countries are members of the United Nations. Okay. Now we will discuss. We have already discussed about the both World War One and Two. Then after so much destruction, all the nations feel that we have to do something for prevent all these. So after World War II, all the nations came together and tried to find out a way of solution of prevention of the war in future. Actually, there was so much loss because of World War, so it made nations wiser. So they make so many efforts moving here and there. As a result of their efforts, in 24 October 1945, the United Nations officially comes into the existence. In 1945, representatives of 50 countries met in Francisco at United Nations Conference on International Organization to draw up a United Nations Charter. Charter of the United Nations is a book which contains a set of rules. It was prepared in conference in San Francisco, USA. Now today's 195 countries are the members of the United Nations. Now we can see in this picture, this is the picture of the building which is situated in New York. This is the picture of United Nations, building of United Nations which is situated in the New York. Now we will discuss, did you know? As we know, now 195 countries are the member of United Nations. Did you know South Sudan is the newest country to join the new UN? South Sudan became independent on 9 July 2011. Now you have to complete new words in your CW copy and read the topic again. Thank you.